Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, sometimes Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connections can become stuck or frozen, preventing you from connecting to new network or devices. Resetting the settings can release these stuck connections and allow you to establish new ones. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, enter to the settings menu. Okay, after that scroll down and choose General Management option. Well, so here select Reset menu and find out these settings. Tap on it, then click Reset settings below. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.